Hey, Mad Dad here. Um, on the topic of legal representation for your family law case, a good way to go as far as legal representation, basically seeking an attorney, would be to hire an attorney on limited scope representation. What this means is that the attorney that you hire will only perform specific tasks that you outline that relate to your case and not your overall case. Now, for example, let me give you an example. Like, let's say you have a divorce and you have issues that are related to that are not yet settled, that are related to spousal support, retirement, distribution of property, just other assets or whatever. But you also have issues that are related to custody visitation. Well, if you hire an attorney for on limited scope representation, that you can basically have the attorney represent or assist you with the specific issues that you outline. So, for example, as I mentioned, you can have an attorney only handle the custody and visitation and child support, and not mess with or handle or meddle with the other things that are related to your divorce. Or let's say another reason why you would hire an attorney for a limited scope would be, let's say, if you're a single parent or you are a divorcing parent and you've already completed all of your paperwork. Okay, you have all your paperwork, your declarations and all that stuff submitted to the courts, properly served to the other party, and you just need an attorney to hire. You just need to hire an attorney just to communicate with the other person's attorney, or represent you while in front of the judge. Be able to assist you that way. But for all the other things, you don't need him for. Him or her for. Um, a good way to go would be, that limited scope representation. Now, there are two, in my opinion, there are two benefits to hiring a limited scope attorney. One of the benefits is that you pay a flat rate and not a retainer. Okay, if you hire an attorney on limited scope, you're gonna pay a flat rate. You're gonna fill out completely different form, a completely different form to basically add that attorney to your case. If you pay a retainer, you're going to put basically a deposit down. Okay, and that attorney is going to be a substitution of an attorney, and you're basically going to give that attorney all of the powers to handle your matter. Okay, your situation. Okay, um, so that's why you're going to pay the retainer. Now, um, the the other benefit would be is that you have better management of your case. If you have a limited scope attorney, you can complete forms, and in those forms or whatever, you can ask that you receive all the information related to your case up front, and then you go through that information or whatever, and you provide the attorney with the copies of that information, or with the originals, and have the attorney make copies of that information. You get it? Rather than you hiring an attorney, as far as a substitution of attorney, and you paying that retainer, and you're giving that attorney all the powers to handle your case, and now the other party and the courts are only contacting the attorney in regards to your case. That tends to be a problem sometimes, because the attorney is the one who will have all your records, all your files, everything, and sometimes it's a pain in the ass to get those records back from the attorney, or even speak to the attorney about getting a copy. Some folks don't even get copies of their own information. So hiring an attorney on limited scope representation, to me, is beneficial to you, both financially and in regards to managing your case. Now, not all attorneys offer limited scope representation. Okay, it's kind of like they lose money, so to speak. You have to find an attorney that offers limited scope representation. Now, look in your local areas, consult with some attorneys. find out if whether or not they offer those services. Now, if you don't have any access or you can't find any in your local area, contact me. Okay, I have access to attorneys that offer limited scope that are kick ass. They're really good at what they do, and so just contact me. Now, this information, I hope that you, in a sense, you found this information helpful, and that you're willing to share this information. Subscribe to my channel to receive more information about about things that things that you may find beneficial in regards to family law. And that's pretty much it. Now, until next time, you take care. Bye.